Welcome to our third video in our SOLIDWORKS CAM technology database series. We have already taken a look at tool creation and tool crib creation. So if you want to know more about those, check out our previous videos. This video we're going to discuss post processors. In this case, I'm inside the SOLIDWORKS CAM 2021 technology database. When I select settings, you can see that it gives me a post processor path. In this case, you can see it's in our program data folder, SOLIDWORKS CAM 2020, and there's a folder called posts. Inside of that location, in Windows Explorer, we could see that we end up with two folders, mill and turn, and we also have a bunch of tutorial post processors already included. Inside of our mill folder, there's going to be several post processor files that are included with installing the SOLIDWORKS CAM 2021 software. I have also included other post processors that I have received from other resources. In this case, I can choose to just drop the two necessary files right inside of the mill folder. In this case, I have my CTL and language file for the Fanuc horizontal from SOLIDWORKS World 2015, simply placed inside the mill folder. I could also just unzip something that I received, whether it's from Tribec or maybe I downloaded from the CamWorks post processor library. In this case, I can go to the Haas mini mill and I can see that there are several different items in there. Important items that have to be included are my CTL file and my .lng file. Both of these files have to be there in order for the post to properly work. CamWorks offers a free post processor library on their website. These post processors also work for SOLIDWORKS CAM. I can simply pick and choose the type of machine that I would like. In this case, we'll pick that Haas mini mill and then do a search. Once I have the search, I can then hit my download button in order to download this post processor file. They will ask you for some information, including email and current reseller. You can feel free to put Trimec inside there as a reseller, and we will receive that information so we can contact you to make sure everything is going okay with your post processor. A couple other items on here is that it also allows you to view supported G and M codes as well as give you some sample output. So this is a really nice resource to get some post processor files. The last resource I'm going to share is you can always email support.cam@trimec.com. Give us your machine, make and model, as well as your controller make and model, and we can send a post processor to you. Of course, depending on what types of things you would like to do or how you would like your G code formatted, some of these posts may or may not satisfy you. Most of them will run your machine, and we can always help with modifying and tweaking some of the posts. So that's a quick look at post processors for SOLIDWORKS CAM and how we can leverage them inside the technology database.